Model makers create detailed and accurate models for various industries, such as film, architecture, or engineering. They work with a variety of materials like wood, plastic, metal, and foam to make physical models that represent buildings, products, or even characters for films or games. Model makers often use both traditional tools and modern technology, like 3D printers, to craft their models. They are skilled in understanding design plans and can follow complex instructions to ensure that the models they create are both functional and realistic. On average, a beginner or entry-level model maker can expect to earn around £18,000 to £22,000 a year. However, those with more experience, or who work in specialized fields like film or high-end design, could earn £25,000 to £30,000 annually. Highly experienced model makers in senior positions, or those working for big companies, may even earn £35,000 or more a year. Freelancers or self-employed model makers may earn a different amount based on their workload and clients. To become a model maker, individuals typically need a good understanding of design and craftsmanship. A relevant qualification, such as a BTech, or an apprenticeship in model making, art and design, or engineering, is often required. Some people may also study for a degree in product design or 3D modeling. Practical experience is crucial, so many model makers start in entry-level roles or as apprentices to gain hands-on skills. A strong attention to detail, creative thinking, and good manual dexterity are essential for the job.